I know some people are going to beat me for this, but that's new. I do not like how Miss Burchell carries herself. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. It's, you're in the political realm. You're representing all Jamaicans, regardless of if you're PMP or JLP. You're representing all Jamaicans because one day you may become a member of cabinet, right? Of the governing body of Jamaica. So you out here in tight fitted jeans, as one would call it, punny printer every day. I do not like to see it. Your blouse tie up. I do not like to see it. I don't think it's appropriate, right? I would prefer to see her in more loose-fitting clothing, so that when people see you, the first thing they see is not your figure. You're a very attractive woman. You have a nice figure, but that's not what you're here to show. And yes, it sounds archaic, I know, and that shouldn't be a determining factor, I know. But when you carry yourself like that, people will see you a specific way, and you do not want that perception to be attached to you. Dress better. And again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Like, share, comment, and share you're following me. I'm also on YouTube, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram. Okay? Thank you.